welcome you all to this video. In today's class, we are going to do the next exercise of chapter 1, that is rational number. Dear children, in today's video, I am going to explain you this is the fourth exercise of chapter 1 rational number from S. Chand Mathematics class 8th. So let's start the video. The first question is find a rational number between A and B. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to find only one rational number between any two rational number, so in that case what you are supposed to do, just you find half of A plus B, where A is the first number and B is the second number, right? So with this law, if you want to find a rational number between A and B, where A is equal to 1 upon 5 and B is equal to 1 upon 4, so therefore we are going to apply the same formula, and with that law here will be 1 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 4, right? So now we will add or we will simplify this using the BODMAS rule. So this will be 4 plus 5, because LCM of this and 5 and 4 is 20, and it's coming 9 upon 40, right? So 9 by 40 is the answer. What is the second question? If A is 1 upon 8 and B is equal to 7 upon 20, then just you replace A and B by 1 by 8 and 7 by 12 respectively, and you will get the answer. So this will be the answer, right? तो इस तरह से you can do all the sums, whatever the value of A and B, वो आप यहाँ पर बना सकते हो. 8 और 12 का LCM is 24. 8 3s are 24, so 1 3s are 3 plus 12 2s are 24. So this is 7 by 12. Actually this was 7 upon 12. So 12 2s are 24, so this will be 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus 3 17 upon 24, and if you multiply it will be 17 upon 48. So this is the answer of second. Number C, the value of A is minus 5 upon 6 and B is minus 2 upon 5. So 1 by 2 minus 5 by 6 plus minus 2 upon 5, the LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. So minus 25, this is minus 25 plus minus 12, right? ये minus 12 bracket के अंदर है, and since both the numbers are having similar signs, so we need to add this, and this will be minus 37, and the answer will be minus 37 upon 30 is here. So answer will be minus 37 divided by 60. This is the answer. Okay. Now the next question, where A's value is minus 4 upon 9 and B's value is 11 upon 6. So in the same way you can do this, half of in bracket 4 upon 9, this is minus 4 upon 9, okay, and plus 11 upon 6. So the LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. So 9 2s are 18, so 4 2s are 8, and 6 3s are 18, so 11 3s are 23. So in this way the answer is coming, this is 18, so 18 2s are 36, the answer is 25 upon 36. Okay, this is the answer. Find two rational numbers between minus 2 and 2. So actually when you are finding one rational number or more than one rational number, then there are in total three methods. One is this method which I had explained you, and another is the method is that is called mid value method, you can say, where you will find always the midpoint or the number, the rational number which comes in between the two rational number. And the third one is common denominator method, where you will make all the denominators same common after finding the LCM of the denominators, and then you can write as many as you want, because there are infinite number of rational numbers in between two rational number. Find two rational number. So two rational numbers are, one is minus 1 and the another is this is the answer, minus 1 and 0. Actually there is no denominator, so minus 2 और 2 के बीच में actually if you draw a number line, then this will be more clear. If this is 0 and this is minus 1 and this one is minus 2 and this value is 1 and this value is plus 2. So you see in between minus 2 and 2 these three numbers are there. So you can write any two from these three, minus 1, 0 or 1 also if you want you can write, लेकिन यहाँ पर दो ही नंबर लिखना था तो दो ही यहाँ पे आप लिखिएगा. Find three rational numbers between minus 7 by 2 and minus 2. तो minus 2 by 1 this is. Okay. So what is that? Three rational numbers between minus 7 and minus 2 are this minus 11 by 4. Actually here we need some working which is not shown here. And what is that working? Ki you have to make their denominators same. Okay, and let me check that whether any method is mentioned here or not, or simply ki find the rational number. D, find two rational numbers between. Okay, so no method is there, so you can use any one of the method in this. So four rational numbers between minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. So here you need to multiply it by 2 upon 2. So it will be minus 2 by 2. Okay, this is four rational number na, and I was explaining you this. So minus 7 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 1. So this will be minus 7 upon 2 only. But to make the denominator equal to 2, we need to multiply it by 2 and this is coming minus 4 by 2. Okay, so this is minus 4 by 2. So now we have got two numbers which are having the same denominator. One is minus 7 upon 2 and another is minus 4 upon 2. So now you may write any two numbers which comes in between minus 7 and minus 4. Okay, but the problem is minus 5, minus 6. Only two numbers are there in between minus 7 and minus 4. So we cannot write 3. So we need to increase the gap, and for that we need to multiply this number by either 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 or 4 by 4, by any number you can multiply just to increase the gap. So here what this student has done, he has made the denominator equal to 8, and so for that I think that he has multiplied here by 4 upon 4. So this will be minus 28 upon 8, and in the same way if you multiply minus 4 by 2 into 4 by 4, इसको 4 by 4 से multiply करना है, तो this will be minus 16 upon 8. Okay, and now you can write any three number integer which comes in between minus 28 and minus 16, and the denominator will be same. So here it's written three rational number between minus 7 by 2 and minus 2 are. So children, I think whatever the answers are written here before, okay, this answer is not correct, so you write the correct answer here. Now you need to write three integers which comes in between minus 28 and minus 16, and the denominator will remain same. So here also many children make a mistake. So let's see that whenever you are writing three integers between the given two integers, then if the concept is not clear, then you please do this, follow this step. So on the number line, first minus 16 will come and then minus 28, right? Like this only, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that it will go. Now, so how many integers are there in between this and this and this? So actually there will be minus 17, then minus 18, then minus 19, and up to minus 27 you can write. So you can write here minus 17 upon 8. You may write here minus 19 upon 8, and you may write here minus 25 upon 8 also. Okay, so this is the answer, but here I think something else was there. So if you understand the method, you can also point out any mistake if you know, if it is there in any answer. And later on also, while watching the video, if you find any type of any error, please let me know by writing those mistake in the comment box. You mention the time ki at this time this is told, and you know, you can do that. Now here find 4 rational numbers in between -1 and -1/2. So here also we are making you know, we are converting them in such a number where the denominators are equal. So what is the LCM of this 1 and 2? The LCM will be 2. So just to make this number 2, we need to multiply it by 2 by 2. So minus 2 upon 2, and minus 1 upon 2 will be multiplied by 1 upon 1. So this is minus 1 upon 2, right? So this number is minus 2 by 2, and this rational number is minus 1 upon 2. But the problem is we need to write 4, but here you can see there is no any integer in between -1 and -2. So we need to increase the gap. Now those students who are facing the problem, whenever I am telling you to increase the gap, for them I am telling you, if you are not understanding, then simply multiply. Here 4 number you are finding, so simply multiply it by +1. Matlab 4 plus 1, 5. So if you multiply you know, without thinking anything to the given number by one more than successor of this, then you don't have to think, you will find the, you know, how many numbers you are supposed to write in between two integer, आप उसको लिख सकते हैं. और अगर आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है तो you can do anything, you can multiply it by 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, but whatever you choose the number, you have to multiply both the rational number by the same. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am multiplying this number minus 2 upon 2 by 5 upon 5. So this is minus 10 upon 10, and here it was minus 1 upon 2. So minus 1 upon 2, when we will multiply it by 5 upon 5. So this will be minus 5 upon 10. Okay, so now one number we have minus 10 by 10, another number we have minus 5 upon 10, and we need to write 4 rational number which are not written here by the student. So what we can do now, we can write 4 number in between minus 10 and minus 5. So here you can write minus 6 upon 10 1, minus 7 upon 10 2, minus 8 upon 10 3, and minus 9 upon 10 4. So it's done. These are the answer. Okay, find 6 rational numbers between -1 and 0. 6 numbers we are finding. Okay, so here also the direct answers are written. I don't know why a child has written like this. Okay, -1 comma 0. So -1, if you multiply it by 10 upon 10, then this will be minus 10 by 10, and 0, if you multiply 10 by 10, this will be 0 upon 10. So now you can write any 6 numbers which comes in between minus 10 and 0. So in between minus 10 and 0, it comes, you know, minus 1 upon 10, you can write 6 rational number. Minus 2 upon 10, you can write minus 3 upon 10, minus 4 upon 10, minus 5 upon 10, minus 6 upon 10. Okay, so this answer you can write. Cut this answer. Now insert 10 rational number in between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. So here one thing is good, that denominators are same only, and we need to write 10 rational numbers. So on the number line, if you see, so here is minus 3, and suppose here is 0 and here is 8. So there are sufficient number. That means we are supposed to write 10 rational number, and we have that. So directly we can write the answer here: minus 2 by 11, minus 1 by 11, 0 by 11, 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 6 upon 11 and 7 upon 11. So there is no any problem. This answer is correct. Insert 100 rational numbers in between minus 3 upon 13 and 9 upon 13. Now the problem is 100 rational number, so we will not write. So we will use here dot 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 dot. But before that, we need to see that whether we have 100 number in between the numerators or not. Denominators are same here also. So there are no 100 numbers in between minus 3. 100 numbers, I mean 100 integer in between minus 3 and 9. So we need to increase the gap. So if we multiply it by 10 upon 10 and 10 upon 10, so it will be minus 30 by 130 and 90 by 130, and there are more than 100 integer in between minus 30 and 90. And now you can we can start from minus 29, because in between minus 30 and 90 on the number line, minus 29, then minus 28, minus 27, and like that 0, and then again up to 89 it will go, right? So minus 29 upon 130, minus 28 upon 130, minus 27 upon 130, and after this you can write dot 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 100 rational number. You can write at the last number will be, minus 29 upon 130. So you cannot exceed this, okay? If you put dot 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 dot, then last limit also you have to mention here. Okay, we cannot go beyond this minus 29 upon 130 in between. No, not minus, I wrote here wrong thing, 89 by 130. So because we have started from minus 29, so on the positive side, right side, it will reach till 89. Okay, so these are the answer. Now find 6, 60 and 600 rational number in between minus 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8. So minus 5 upon 8 and 3 upon 8 के बीच में already there are 6 numbers. So we will not do anything. Directly we can write minus 4 upon 8, minus 3 upon 8, minus 2 upon 8, minus 1 upon 8. Then this is what? 0. So 0 upon 8 or 0 also you can write, and 1 upon 8. So this is done. But when we have to write 60 rational number in between these two, then again we need to increase the gap, and for that you can multiply it by 10 by 10. So if you multiply minus 5 upon 8 into 10 by 10, so this will come 50 upon 80, and this will come 30 upon 80, right? 30 upon 80. So this is 30, not 38. So now you can write any 60 numbers which comes in between minus 50 and 30, and denominator will be 80 only. So you can start with 49 upon 80. This is minus 49 upon 80. Then this is minus 48 upon 80. Then this is minus 47 upon 80, and so on. And the last limit will be 29 upon 80. So 60 numbers, you can write any 60 numbers in between this. Okay, 89. This is minus 80, not 89. This is what? This is 49. So I need to erase this. Erase this. So this is minus 49 upon 80. Next. So similarly, to write 600 number, you can multiply it by 100 by 100. So it has come minus 500 by 800, 300 by 500, and you can write, you can start from minus 499 by 800, minus 498 by 800, minus 497 by 800, and so on, and you will reach till 299 upon 800. So I hope that this is clear. Now let's do true and false. That between any two distinct integers there is always an integer. So this is false, because 2 and 3 are two distinct integer, but there is no any integer in between 2 and 3. Between any two distinct rational numbers there is always a rational number. So this is true, because in between two rational number there are so many rational number. For example, in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 there are infinite number of rational numbers. Between any two distinct rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. So this statement is true. I already have told you that between any two distinct rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. So dear children, that's all for today's class.